Okay, hey, this is Kevin Zick from TriMech. We're here on the floor of the Partner Pavilion at SOLIDWORKS World 2018 in LA, and we're here with Jeff Cope of qualityXpert. Jeff, can you tell us a little bit about what you're excited about at the show?
Oh yeah, so very excited about. Do you mind?
Yeah, absolutely.
Very excited about what's coming with digital manufacturing. So there's a shop floor exhibit here right next to us, and of course our booth here for qualityXpert. But basically, the 19th century processes that most companies are still using to manufacture even very advanced things like jet engines is actually being swept away with digital processes, and qualityXpert, our web-based quality automation platform, is leading the way.
That's awesome, Jeff. Just walking around, what else is really exciting you about what you see around here?
So some of the cool technologies that I've seen, there's augmented reality, virtual reality, which is neat stuff. Really, we're only scratching the surface now in terms of the things that are being done. A lot of the machine learning technologies, IoT type stuff, again, barely scratching the surface. The transformation that's getting ready to happen in this space in manufacturing over the next 10 years, I think is going to be more than the change that's happened over the past 200 years. It's really, I don't think it's an exaggeration at all.
Awesome. And if there's one or two things that our clients need to hear about qualityXpert, what is that?
Sure. So most manufacturing companies don't have real-time visibility on their manufacturing process. Their quality engineers typically spend most of their time reporting the news rather than actually changing the news. qualityXpert provides data collection at the shop floor, at the source of production. So right at the machine, data collection with any web browser, could be a tablet or anything, any web browser, real-time data collection, real-time visibility, process control. Non-conformances are tracked, tagged to the machine, to the operator. Full traceability, what operator took the measurement, what gauge, and so you just get a 360 view of your manufacturing process. And this is something that most companies don't have, because they have typically their gauge management is in one software, their SPC is in another software, and they're usually doing paper-based inspection. We blow all that away with digital process.
Awesome, man. Well, Jeff, thanks for the time,
Yeah,
and
thanks,
we look
Kevin.
forward to seeing you guys.
Yes, sir.